welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be doing our Ecto-1 build. So we're going to do issue 138. Yeah, you got it, 138 of Build the Ecto-1, which means after this issue 2 more to go, just 2. But yeah, and they hopefully will be with me shortly because I have had a payment taken for them. So yeah, fingers crossed they arrive, and then we can finish her off finally, and we can all close the book on the Ecto-1 craziness that went on. Gosh, it's been a massive journey on this build, but we've still got a couple more to go, so let's not get ahead of ourselves. Anyway, enough of me waffling on, let's get on with today's video. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so what we're going to be working on today is we're going to actually be working on the oxygen tanks. So what we need is, we've got these 2 sort of tubes here. And what we need to do is, we need to get these 2 ends. And through one side, we put that on. Now there is a notch for these to go in. So you know that they are the right way around. There we go. That's one in that end. Then we get this, and we make sure that's in the notch, and then we need to screw that down with the JP screw. So Ecto-1 screws we chose today are EPs, JPs and KPs. Okay, so that one's going in just like so. We need to do another one of these. So again, just put it in, find the notch, put this in, find the notch, and another JP screw. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Okay, next thing we need to do is we need to make some pressure gauges. So all we need to do is need to get this. Now there's an R on one and an F on another. Now looking at them, oh, there's the difference. There is a difference. Okay, so what we need to do is need to put this onto here, and we need to secure that in with an EP screw. So we're going to need 2 of them because we've got two of them to do. Okay, that's one. Let's do this next one. Now I didn't know which one was which, because I believe there's the front and the rear, and that's what the F and the R stand for. So that was the front and this was the rear. But what we need to do is need to push these in to the tanks, just like that. Okay, so they're now in place. That's the front, that's the rear. There is a difference. Okay, so next what we need to do is we need to add them to our roof box. So I'll bring the roof box down. So this one's going to be going on the front, and it's got a little hole just on there. I'm going to go to the side camera. So it's got a hole just there. And I'm just making sure this is the right way around, which it is. we're just going to bob that into place just on there. Then we've got these straps that are going to go over it. So one there and one there, and we need to secure them down with 4 KP screws. That's quite a few. Okay, so that's one in there. What I might do is just do a few turns on these, get all the screws in, and then just tighten them up. So, it's starting to really look nice now with this roof box. But like I said, this model, it definitely has been a journey with everything that went on with Eagle Moss and everything. Okay, so that's the first one in place. We now need to do the rear. So again, just putting that on there, making sure that the regulator is the right way around, and again, it's these 2 clamps. Thing is though, I don't think anybody thought what happened with Eagle Moss would happen, because you know they've been around for so long, you know. Nobody thought that. Okay, nearly done on this. So I'll get this one in and then we'll tighten all them up. And then we've just got a couple of pipes to do. Okay, so that's them all buttoned up. So what we're going to do next is we've just got a couple of pipes to put in. So if I just grab my tweezers, we've got these 2 pipes here. So one is going to go on the front regulator. There's a little pin just down here. That's going to go onto there. And then the other end of it wants to go on just down onto the pin in there. Okay, and then we've got just one more pipe. So we've got a pin on the regulator just on here, and then we're going into the spare one now, which is just down here with the other end of that pipe. Don't really want that to happen, but okay, it's been a bit of a pin, but I will get it on. It's not that it's not big enough or the pin's too small, it's just fiddly. There we go. Now she's into place. And that's it. That's all there is to do in this issue. So, as you can see here, we've created the oxygen tanks and they're now nicely fitted. So, looking amazing. So, yeah, I'm really impressed with that. I can't wait now to get my last final 2 issues and we can complete this. That pipe's just come out there. So just putting that back on. I really can't wait to finish this because it's really going to look amazing when done. So that is issue 138 complete. Well guys, that's it for the Ecto-1 and for this final, more or less final pack, I would say. Yeah, really impressed with it. She does look amazing up there and I'll be glad to get it finished now. I don't think there'll be an Ecto-1 video next week because I'm obviously still waiting on the next pack, and basically they've taken payment today, so it's going to be at least a couple of weeks until that comes. So there will be a weekend where there won't be one, unfortunately, but I'm not what I can do about that. I'm just really chuffed that they've finally taken payment for the last 2 and I will be receiving them very shortly. So yeah, please bear with me on this one, but hopefully we'll get to finish up before Christmas, and yeah, I'll be over the moon at that one. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now.